Welcome to VINDAL'S Academy. Let us look at how to find the solution to this kind of matrix. Remember, is a multiplication. We are given that a matrix is given in these lines are called rows. Anything to the horizontal is called row, and anything to the vertical is called column. But if you look at this matrix, we are going to have 1, 2, 3, 3 rows and 1, 2, 3, 3 columns. So we call it 3 by 3 matrix. All right. Sometimes we use these letters like M, MN matrix. So now we are asked to find a square. A square simply means that you are going to find this multiplying itself. So the kind of matrix you are going to have is this way. You are going to have 2. You're going to have 2, 1, 2, then 1, 2, minus 2, and this is 2 minus 2 minus 1. You see, when we look at matrix, it's just like a statistics, and it can be converted into simple equation, quadratic equation, and any kind of polynomial, depending on how the question came. All right. So how do we multiply it? I'm going to show you a pattern. Remember, mathematics is all about pattern. Or look at this. This is the first one. Multiply, because a square is something as a times a. So we are going to do this. So the first one is this, and the second of them is going to have, this is 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, minus 2, 2, minus 2, minus 1. Remember, this is a kind of careful mathematics. Any area you make mistake, you can never arrive at your answer. So we are going to be very careful while we do our solution. Do you understand that? So that is how we are going to do. Now the question should be, how do we carry out multiplication in matrices? All right? How we carry out multiplication is going to be, I will prefer to go row, we go into the first column. This same row is going into the second column, and this same row is going into the third column. So we are going to have 3 by 3 matrix as the answer. Why? Because of this. Look at this. If the first one is M N matrix, which is, let me put it this way, 3 by 3 by 3 matrix times another 3 by 3 matrix. The first is going to cancel the first. Why? You have what? 3 by 3 matrix. That means our answer is also going to be in 3 by 3 matrix. I am sure you have a basic knowledge before coming here, but if you do not, I am going to take it through each step and give you even the beginner's guide. All right, let's get started. Let's look at the first one. I'm going to start by saying 2 times 2, then 1 times 1, and 2 times 2 in the first part. But before that, let's consider if everything I've written here is correct to avoid any mistake. 2, 1, 2, 2, 1, 2 minus 2. Okay, 2 minus 2 minus 1. All right, the same thing. Okay, everything is fine. All right, let's continue. So 2 times this 2. Remember, I'm going to have 2 times 2. I will show you everything I'm doing. Plus, this times this first one. Why this times the second? Right? Why the third times the third? That is how we are going to keep going. So 2 times 2 is that. Then plus 1 times 1 is going to be 1 times 1. Then plus the next is going to be 2 times 2, which is going to be 2 times 2. All right? This is the first. I am continuing again. Now, this 2 times 1 is going to be 2 times 1 plus 1 times 2. You see that? 1 times 2 plus 2 times minus 2. 2 times minus 2. That is the second. Then the last is going to be this same one, 2 times 2. 2 times 2. Then 1 times minus 2 plus 1 times minus 2 plus 2 times minus 1. 2 times minus 1. Okay, let me find out if everything is showing in the video before I continue. All right, so now I'm not going to be doing this again. So let's simplify the first thing I did. 2 plus 1 plus, this is going to be 4 plus 4, 8, 9. The first one is 9. 2 plus 2, 4. 4 minus 4 is 0. This is 0. All right, the next one is going to be, no, let me not do this yet. Let me open everything before we do that last one. Let's keep going to the next one. I am going with this again. 1 times 2, 1 times 2 plus 2 times 1, 2 times 1 plus minus 2 times 2, minus 2 times 2. I am done with the first. Then this is entering here. 1 times 1, 1 times 1 plus 2 times 2 plus minus 2 times minus 2, minus 2 times minus 2. I am done. Then I'll go for this one. 1 times 2, 1 times 2 plus 2 times minus 2, 2 times minus 2 plus minus 2 times minus 1, minus 2 times minus 1. I'm going to this one. 2 times 2 plus minus 2 times minus 1. No, I mean minus 2 times 1 plus minus 1 times 2. Then let me focus on this one. I'm sure you're following what I'm doing. Just step by step. This is carefulness. So the next one is going to be 2 times 1 plus minus 2 times 2, minus 2 times 2 plus minus 1 times minus 2, minus 1 times minus 2. Any mistake, you are off. Let's go to the next one. 2 times 2, 2 times 2 plus, it's going to be minus 2 times minus 2, minus 2 times minus 2 plus minus 1 times minus 1, minus 1 times minus 1. So this is the multiplication process. Now let's take it one step before the other. So I'm going to have, the next thing is going to be 4 plus 1 plus 4. This is going to be 2 plus 2 minus 4. And this is going to be 4 minus 2 minus 2. Remember what I'm doing. This times this is 4. This times this is 1. This times this is 4. This times 1 is 2. This times 1 is 2. This times 2 is 3. So that's what I'm doing. So let me go here again. I have 2 minus 4. This is 1, 4, 4. This is plus 4. Minus times minus is plus 4. So this is going to be 2 minus 4 plus 2. I hope you're following. So I have this again. This is going to be 4 minus 2 minus 2. All right. So the next one is going to be 2 minus 4 plus 2. And this is going to be 4 plus 4 plus 1. All right, let's go to the next. This plus this is 8 plus this is 9. This plus this is 4. This is going to be 0 minus this. This is also going to be 0. You know what it's looking like? That is a rule I'm going to let you know at the end of this lesson. So 2 plus 2, 4. This is 0. This plus this, 9. This is going to be, this is also 0. This is going to be 0. This is going to be 0. And this is going to be 9. So you are having identity element. Is there identity? Yeah. You are having a kind of matrix, column, not identity, it's column. This is column matrix whereby everything on the column, on the diagonal is the same. Everything on the diagonal is the same. So that is the answer. So I'm going to have that a squared is equal to this. And that is what we are asked to find.